Let's meet Abhijeet, one of our top 20 finalists of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020.
My name is Abhijeet Kumar. As a profession, I am a student. I'm 15 years old and I am good in academics as well as in extracurricular activities. I did my several projects based on the applied engineering and scientific research. I spent a lot of time learning about the electronics and I am a CAD artist.
And recently, I make an infrared temperature and distance measuring device. First thing first, I search about the product that work on infrared technology. Then I understand how and why of these devices. In first attempt, I make a badge successfully. But it is not a badge, it is something that just work perfectly. Therefore, I start designing it using 3D designing.
All these things inspire me to make my own version of it. I'm doing this all to help the society in this pandemic situation. And our future plan is to bring this product into the market.
So it's time for the Q&A session. I would like to request the judges, if they have any question for Abhijeet, they can ask him.
Hi, Abhijeet. This is Subro.
Yeah.
That's a nice thought. What happens if, and I'm sure this has been thought through, if somebody comes some 2 inches behind you, does it?
Look.
Or if he is by the side?
Actually the measuring angle is 90 degree in vertical and also in horizontal angle. That is the angle of sensor that we are using it.
So it can't really be used for personal use. Because if you're moving in a crowd, then you have people all across you, all around you. So typically, it has to be across, circular and not really. A great use from a perspective of doors, etc., and therefore having a signal if somebody else is trying to come in, which is what some companies are doing. Yeah, that's it. Just an observation.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Can I go next?
Yes.
That was a great project, Abhijeet. I just have a couple of questions. So you mentioned that you're using a medical grade infrared sensor for taking out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but what happens like if it might work on generic cases like when the person is in a room, but what happens if the person is out in sunlight? Do you think the infrared sensor will still work the same?
Yes, sir. Because
Many congratulations to Abhijeet for his invention. On behalf of the entire team of WitBlox and Techfest, we wish him the very best of luck for the future.